Hey, now it's time to wake her up. Abracadabra, yeah, magic. Ooh. And she woke up. Hello kiddos, today we are going to learn how to draw a cute owl. So let's see. The owl is sleeping now, but very soon we are going to wake it up. Let's draw the moon and the stars. It's night time. Yay, abracadabra, magic!
Wow!
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Hey, now it's time to wake her up. Abracadabra, yeah, magic. Ooh. And she woke up. Can you see the cute round eyes?
The girls be handy.
Okay, so let's meet in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and be happy.